Emma House is a small yet meaningful home located in Morelia, Mexico. Designed by H.W. Studio, this architectural masterpiece blends the warmth of local traditions with the beauty of light, creating a deeply emotional experience for its occupants. With an area of only 40 square meters, Emma House stands on a narrow plot measuring 4 by 10 meters. Despite its modest size, the house is designed with exceptional efficiency, creating a spacious, bright, and inspiring living space. The primary inspiration for this home came from the architect's profound experience at the Paula Rego Museum in Cascais, Portugal, designed by Eduardo Souto de Moura. They sought to recreate the same sense of tranquility through light, evoking a reflective and emotional atmosphere. Uniquely, Emma House is conceived as a modern interpretation of a Troje, a traditional Purépecha granary that held a special place in Emma's heart, the figure who inspired this home. The interior is entirely crafted from wood, offering a warm and familiar ambience while honoring cultural heritage. Natural light cascading from above becomes the central design element, creating soft shadows and reflections that amplify the serene and peaceful mood. Though compact, the layout of this house is remarkably efficient. The entrance features a front corridor that conceals the roof until you move further inside. The central area is an open-plan space encompassing the living room, dining area, and kitchen without any dividing walls. At the rear, you'll find concealed storage, utility areas, and a staircase leading to the mezzanine floor. On the mezzanine, there's a standout design feature, a floating white volume housing the main bedroom and bathroom. This material is distinct from the rest of the house, creating the illusion of a light, hovering element, almost like a piece of cotton suspended in space. Light plays a crucial role here, softening and diffusing the boundaries of this volume, achieving a gentle and calming aesthetic. Emma House is more than just a home. It's an experience. It invites us to reflect, feel the magic of light, and find peace within simplicity. Through its design, Emma House pays tribute to tradition, conveys emotions, and connects us with beauty both in the world around us and within ourselves. Thank you for joining this journey on Block 7. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more home design inspiration. See you in the next video.